A shocking incident in Punjab College Lahore, campus number 10 in Gulbarg, where a student was raped by a security guard and her van driver. All this happened when they took her to the basement. A female student made the video too, but the principal of the campus snatched that mobile from the female student and deleted all the evidences. The campus is now in a state of fear, with the management instructing girls to use washrooms in groups of at least 2 and instructing parents to pick and drop the girls. Now, where is so-called Muslims or lovers of Islam and the paid mullahs or self-acclaimed saviors of Islamic civilization? Where is gaudy media? Where are human rights championships? Now the management denies the incident, labeling it a fake news, also after the instructions given for parents and students. Some teachers stated first that parties had the consent, but later retracted under management pressure. I don't know why PGC received Best Institution Award from President of Pakistan, Asif Ali Zardari. Students who dare to protest face suspension. Management prioritizes reputation over student safety, as they have already suspended many. We should condemn this silence and demand accountability. We should support the brave students who spoke out despite threats and suspensions. Let's break the silence and demand justice.